Now you caught me here in the kitchen just sorting out a bag of tatties that I bought a few weeks ago from the cash and carry. I think I paid about £6 for a sack, and in here it tells me there's about 20 kilos of Maris Piper potatoes. Now Maris is a lovely potato to plant in your garden. You can put it in the soil, you can plant it in straw bales, you can put it in buckets or boxes. I've even grown them in carrier bags from Tesco. Of course, other supermarket carrier bags are available. But when I was going through these tatties, I found that some of them are starting to go a bit soft. So I'm sorting them out. Chuck out anything that's going a bit rotten. But I found treasure in the bottom of the bag. And what I found is some of the potatoes with shoots growing on them. You see these? See, I've got shoots on them. Now the potato itself wants to grow, and it thinks it's time to grow, so it's throwing these shoots out all over the place. These are called chits. You might have heard people say, "No, I'm chitting me potatoes off before I plant them." Well, farmers don't chit them off, they just plant them ordinary. But us local little gardeners, we tend to chit them because it gives us a better yield on our potatoes later. Now, some of these potatoes are the perfect size for planting. Can you make that out, can you? I don't know what this is, mind. I've just seen lots of tubers go, "Let me show you this," and they put their hand behind it. I don't know. Anyway, it's a potato, and it's the size of an egg, and it's got about 5 or 6 of these little chits on them. Now, that is the perfect size if you've got any. If you haven't, don't panic, because you might have them, I don't know, like this one, which is a bit bigger, but it's also got the chits on as well. But with a bit of studio ingenuity, you can cut it in half. And guess what? You've now got 2 potatoes about the size of an egg with chits on both of them. Don't worry about the fact you've cut that open. That's not a problem for a potato. The bit that's important is that little shoot. So these are what I put off to one side. Now, I've got quite a few of them, you see. Now, when I was down at the garden centre the other day, I picked up a bag of seed potatoes to look at them. Same stuff, Maris Piper. And I got about 6 of those or 8 of those in a bag. They wanted a £5. They wanted £5 for 6 potatoes, 6 seed potatoes. Now, what's the difference between 6 of my potatoes from here and 6 of their potatoes? Well, mine costs next to nothing and yours costs quite a bit. So what you're looking for in your tatties is any potato with a shoot on the side, ideally the size of an egg. If not, remember, take your knife and just cut it in half. As long as you end up with 2 of them and they've got shoots on the side, you're okay. Now I'm going to put these in a tray and leave them on the bench in the kitchen for a little while. And the reason is that every one of these little shoots will grow a little bit bigger and stronger. Now when these shoots get about this big, they're perfect for planting. So pop back here in a day or two's time. These will be grown and I'll show you how to plant them in a bucket, a box, a straw bale, or maybe even a Tesco carrier bag. Catch you soon. Bye-bye.